Welcome to the Android Tablet Security and Privacy course. In this course, we'll show you how to set up a PIN and fingerprint security on an Android tablet to protect your personal information and data. There are many types of Android tablets. If your Android tablet is a different model to the one shown in this demonstration, the steps might be slightly different, but you can still follow along. Adding a PIN is an easy way to secure your tablet and the information on it. You can think of the PIN as a key you use to unlock your tablet. When your tablet is locked, no one else can use it. If you already have a PIN set up on your Android tablet, you can still follow along to learn about other security options, including how to change your PIN. Let's look at how to set up a PIN to lock and unlock your tablet. Starting from the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view all the apps. Look for the Settings icon, which looks like a cogwheel. Tap on it to open the Settings app. On the left of the screen, scroll down until you find Lock Screen at the bottom of the list, and tap it. If you already have a PIN on your tablet, the next few steps are like those for changing your passcode, so it's a good idea to follow along. The right of the screen shows the lock screen settings. You'll see Screen Lock Type at the very top of this panel, and beneath it, the word Swipe. The Swipe option doesn't protect your tablet, so we're going to change it to a more secure setting. Tap Screen Lock Type to see the options. We're going to set up a PIN which has medium to high security and is quicker to enter than a password. Tap PIN and a pop-up box will appear. Now you need to enter at least 4 numbers for your PIN. However, creating a PIN with more numbers makes it harder to guess, so we're going to create a PIN using 6 numbers in this demonstration. Choose a 6-digit PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. To create a strong PIN, don't use numbers in order or the same number more than twice in a row. Keep a record of your PIN in a safe place. Now, use the number pad to enter your PIN. It can be inconvenient to tap OK each time after you have entered your PIN to unlock the tablet, so tap the circle if you want to avoid this. Tap Continue. Enter your PIN again to confirm it. Then tap OK. Some lock screen notifications options might appear to let you change how notifications appear on your lock screen. If you're happy with these settings, tap Done at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up might also appear to ask if you want to turn on Remote Unlock. This lets you unlock your tablet if you've forgotten your PIN and control your tablet if you lose it. If you already have an account set up with your tablet's maker, you can select Turn On. But for this demonstration, we'll tap Cancel to return to the lock screen settings. If you're worried someone may know your PIN, it's easy to change it. Just tap on Screen Lock Type and repeat the steps to set up your new PIN. It's time to practice using your PIN to unlock your tablet. Tap the Home button at the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. Press the Power button to lock your tablet. Don't hold it down for too long, just press it once quickly so the screen goes dark. Now press the Power button once more to wake the tablet up. The lock screen appears, showing a padlock at the top. Swipe anywhere on the screen and a number pad will appear for you to enter your PIN. carefully enter in each number of your PIN. If you enter the PIN incorrectly, the screen will say "Incorrect PIN entered," and you'll have to try again. If you enter the wrong PIN too many times in a row, everything on your tablet might be erased. Keep a record of your PIN so you don't forget it, and make a backup of your tablet. If you can't remember your PIN, you can always restore your tablet's contents and settings from the backup. We'll show you how to back up your tablet in another course. Once you've entered the PIN correctly, your tablet is unlocked and ready to use. Now, let's look at how you can use your fingerprint instead of a PIN to unlock your tablet. It's called Fingerprint Security, and it's easy to set up. Fingerprint Security can be a faster and more convenient way to unlock your tablet than a PIN, but you will still need a PIN to keep your information secure. Your PIN can always be used to unlock your tablet, even if Fingerprint Security is set up. To set up Fingerprint Security, first return to the Settings app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and tapping the Settings icon. Scroll down until you see the lock screen option on the left side of the screen and tap it. Then, on the right side of the screen, tap on Screen Lock Type. For your security, the tablet asks you to put in your PIN. Enter your PIN now to confirm that it is you who is accessing these security settings and not someone else. Then tap Continue. You'll see a list of some other ways you can unlock your tablet. Your tablet might allow you to unlock it using your face or fingerprint. For this demonstration, let's tap on Fingerprints to set this up. When the fingerprint screen appears, you can read the information, then tap Continue to start. Now, locate your tablet's sensor. Depending on your model of Android tablet, it will be next to the camera on the back of the tablet built into the screen, or in the Home button or Power button. In this demonstration, the sensor is in the Power button. Follow the instructions on screen to scan your fingerprints in a range of different positions. Continue to follow the instructions until the tablet says your fingerprint has been added. Next, you will be asked if you want to add another fingerprint. If you don't want to, tap Done to return to the main Settings menu. Then tap the Home button on the bottom right of the screen to return to the home screen. To test that fingerprint security is set up correctly, press the Power button on your tablet. The screen will go dark. Now, press the Power button again. If your tablet's sensor is in the Power button and you're using your scanned finger, the tablet will unlock straight away. On tablets where the sensor is located somewhere else, such as beneath the display, you'll see the lock screen instead, with a padlock at the top. You can swipe up to go to another screen and enter your PIN, or simply hold your finger against the sensor to unlock your tablet. It's as easy as that. You've reached the end of the course and should now know how to protect the personal data and information on your tablet using a PIN and your fingerprint. If you're unsure about any steps, you can rewind the video or click the chapter headings to jump to the start of a chapter. If you're ready to move on, there are many other courses to explore on Be Connected.